Hello friends, welcome to Overcome channel. In this video today I am going to share with you 3 school teaching job vacancies in UAE. If you are considering becoming an international teacher, this video is for you. Let's start the video. In URL you can put www.arabunityschool.ae. If you are entering this URL, you can get this main page of Arab Unity School. In this main page, menu available. In this menu, one of the option careers available. If you click this link careers, you can get what are the teaching job vacancies for Arab Benati School. So here current vacancies are English, social studies, class teacher, business studies, Islamic studies, science. So these are all the vacancies for Arab Benati School. So what are the description mean? Graduate or postgraduate in the particular subject, preferably with B.Ed. B.Ed is mandatory. So all are secondary teaching job. If you are interested these job vacancies, you can apply as per the instruction. For example, if you wish to apply English teacher, you can click here apply. If you click this link apply, you can get one job application form. This application form should take approximately 5 minutes to complete. First you can give your name, email address, contact number, position applying for which position are you going to apply, select your subject. Then you can give it your message. Finally, you can upload your CV, up-to-date CV, maximum of 2 pages. You can upload your CV here. Once you have completed, you can send the job application form. Once you have submitted, you can get acknowledgement via email for your future reference. So this is the way you have to apply Arab Unity School teaching job vacancies. If you want more about this school, you can check it in the menu. Everything you can get it from in the menu itself. The second one is you can enter in the URL www.ajialfalah.sch.ae. If you are entering this URL, you can get this main page Ajial Falah International School. In this main page, menu available. In this menu, one of the option contact us. If you click this link contact us, you can get one option work at AISF. If you click this link, you can get what are the teaching job vacancies for Ajial Falah International School. So here they are given. Please send your resume and experience letter to hr@ajialfalah.sch.ae. So vacancies for the academic year 21-22. If you click this link, you can get one PDF. Vacancies for the academic year 21-22. Kindergarten teachers and primary teachers, mathematics teacher and head of mathematics. So these are all the vacancies. So what are the requirement? Bachelor degree in education and particular subject, minimum 2 years of teaching experience, excellent knowledge of child development and the latest education theories and practices, excellent written and communication skills. So these are the requirement for kindergarten and primary teachers. Mathematics teacher and head of mathematics, they are searching for the mathematics teacher will be required to deliver lessons that develop students theoretical and applied mathematical skill. So what are the requirement? Bachelor degree in education with a specialization in mathematics or equivalent. Minimum 2 to 5 years experience, excellent knowledge of child development and latest education theories and practices, excellent communication and written English skills, track record of managing maths department at an American curriculum school. So these are the requirement for the mathematics teacher and head of mathematics. If you are interested in these job vacancies, you can send your CV and experience letter to hr@ajialfalah.sch.ae. So due to high number of applicants, only those candidates selected for interviews will be shortlisted and informed. So please note that only shortlisted applicant will be contacted. If you do not hear from the school, please assume that your application has been unsuccessful. So all the new staff will be subject to detailed and enhanced pre-employment clearance including identity check, criminal background check, qualification check, employment and satisfy references check for the last 5 years. Once you have selected, they will be check all the details in the last 5 years. The third one is you can enter in the URL www.alsadikschool.com. If you are entering this URL, you can get main page of Al Sadiq Islamic English School. In this main page, one of the option contact us. If you click this link contact us, you can get one option careers. So here go to career site. If you click this link, you can get career site. Athena recruitment portal, assistant teacher, 7 vacancies, UAE experience preferred, minimum qualification degree and B.Ed. Closing date is 25/8/2021. So if you wish to apply assistant teacher, you can create your profile initially. So here profile, you can fill your all the details, education qualification, work experience, and attach your CV. Everything you have to initially you can create. Once you have create your profile, you can submit the job application using apply. If you click this link apply, it will be redirected to your profile. Then you can submit the job application. Once you have submitted the job application, you can get acknowledgement via email for your future reference. Make sure before applying, please check all the details, your skills, eligibility, requirement, qualification, and job description, etc. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, you can share with your friend. Someone will be benefited. If you are interested in exploring our international teaching job, please visit our channel. If you have any doubt about these job vacancies, you can comment. I will reply to you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.